What is going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be visiting a local Targets in the area on the hunt for some new diecasts. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, great day. As for me, started at the Target number 1. That's right, next stop, diecast. Let's go. And here we are, guys. It looks like they did a restock. Look at this. They got the Ford Bronco R, the 17.4 F-150 Raptor 2-packs. These are pretty cool to see. Haven't seen this one before. I seen the other one the other day, the Jetta, but not the Ford Bronco. What do you guys think? They also have another one. This is the Lancer Rally 037, they Fiat 131. This one looks pretty nice, yo. That one does look pretty nice. I might be picking up this one. They got plenty of them. They have also the Jetta one. This one's cool too. We picked up that one the other day. They got another Lance Rally, and they got a truck. The truck looks pretty cool too. So debating, but I do like this Lancer. It's pretty cool. Thinking about getting this one. I guess these are the 2 new packs. That's right, the new packs. That's awesome. Truck looks pretty cool too. Ford Bronco. That one looks pretty dope. But yeah, good to see some new 2-packs on the shelves. This one's cool. I'm thinking about picking this one up. What else do they have here? Looks like they did a little restock on the Hot Wheels 2. The Hot Wheels 2, this is what the Hot Wheels look like. You can tell it's already been due, but we can double check. Still a lot of great castings here. Still a lot of great castings. DKs is dropping like everywhere, guys. It's crazy. All my Targets got hit with DKs yesterday. I mean, they're putting out DKs like everywhere. That's crazy. The Mayotte. Yeah. Let's see. Just doing a little Hot Wheel hunt. That's a nice pickup. Oh, it's cool. There's the Merc. This is the main line. There's the Back to the Future. Let's see what they have. That's a cool pickup. I like that one. 7. Looks like all the Civics and Godzilla Skylines are gone from this restock here. No treasure hunts. I think that's the most popular one, the Civics and the Godzillas. And the treasure hunts, they got the treasure hunt. Yeah, there ain't no supers or no treasures. But it was cool to go through it. They got your pullbacks here. That's cool. Got your 5-packs. 5-packs are looking pretty cool. You got some Ultra Hots. There's a Beamer. But yeah, these are pretty cool to see. Finally, some new packs are in the house, man. That's pretty cool. Got your RCs. What else do we have? Matchbox. Kit. Pink slips. Of course, we've seen a 007 either like everywhere. He's stocked up on a lot of them. But yeah, let's move it on down and let's see what else we can get. I'm thinking about picking up this one. I really am thinking about picking this one up. This one looks cool. I like the Fiat 131. It looks pretty cool. So, thinking about picking that one up. But yeah, let's get out of here. Move on to the next stop, guys. Let's go. Alright, let's see how much this bad boy is. 1407. Alright, YouTube fam, let's check out this Dollar Tree. See what they have to offer. Let's go. Alright, they got a couple Hot Wheels on the pegs. Nothing too crazy. Could take a look. A few of them there. Yeah, ain't nothing too crazy here. There's a couple matchboxes. That one's pretty cool. I haven't seen that one. It's pretty cool. Let's get out of here. Ain't nothing too crazy here. Move it on down. Alright, YouTube fam, we're here at another Target. This will be number 2. That's right, number 2. Next stop, Diecast. Alright, here we are. We made it. Look at the Scooby van, the mystery van, that's cool. 007, which we already all seen already. Nice and lined up. Pinks look pretty. Pinks look pretty full. What else do they got here? Here's the Christine car. That looks tight. Yeah. Showroom floors. He's been here forever. Some tech decks. Oh, I found somebody's stash, yo. Look it. I found somebody's stash. Look at this. I found some Civics. Man, somebody's gonna get mad at me, yo. I found somebody's stash. Let's freaking go. I'll take them. Why not, right? Somebody's gonna get mad, but oh well. I'll take the Civics. They're pretty good for trade bait where I live, and a lot of people collect them. That's funny. You never know, man. People like to hide stuff. You just gotta check. What else? So we got the 5-packs. Super rigs. You got your ultra hots. Ultra hots. What else do we got? Ooh. Your 2-packs have been here forever. Huh? Thundercats. Exotic Envies. Look at this. All the Aston Martin Exotic Envies. 5-packs. Hot Wheels already been and look like they stocked on the Hot Wheels. Nothing really good though. Well, we can double check. too crazy here. Yeah, I don't see anything crazy here, guys. Nothing. But yeah, we're definitely gonna take these Civics for the win, yo. So we're here at the checkout lanes, man. I forgot to check out the checkout lanes because you just never know, man. You never know. Let's check out the other checkout lane. Second checkout lane of the day. Nah, nothing here. Final last checkout lane. Oh man, only that was a super, right? That would have been sweet. Oh, alright, it's time to pay for these Civics. Alright, YouTube fam, we made it to the third target of the day. That's right, number 3, last and final stop, guys. Further ado, see you guys at the diecast. Let's go. Alright, YouTube fam, we finally made it. And we got some pink slips here, which you've already seen. 007, which we've been seeing them everywhere at the Target. Seems like all the Targets are getting the 007. Got the bigger scales here. This was a cool Ford Bronco. Let's see what else do we got here. Let's see. Monster Jams. We got some moving parts. That's a cool pickup. Couple of those. Some Matchbox. Oh man, look at this one. Dodge Charger looks dope. That's cool. Look at that. Gladiator, that one's cool. There's the Tesla, that one's dope. Yeah, the movie part. They got the MBX Japanese Cruiser. Oh, that's the one with the moon eyes. That one's cool. Oh, cool. But we already got this one. We're good. We're good. We're gonna leave that one. Gladiator. Let's see here. Mercedes 43 scale. You got your 2-packs, peg warmers. Exotic Envy. There's a Lambo. BMW Lambo. Camaro looks sweet, yo. Look at Camaro, I see. Heavy hitcher, that's cool. Here's the Porsche 914. It's got the treasure hunt symbol. Find any good ones, bro? Oh, that one's tight.
This one's
in the truck.
Nice, I have another one.
Yeah. I pretty much already got the case though. All that, yeah. Like a couple weeks ago.
You collect?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I got a couple. I got this like a couple weeks ago. Oh, I didn't get the super, but I got the treasure hunt.
Oh shit, for real? Yeah. No, I have not got a treasure hunt or any.
Been a minute, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're hard to find, bro. Yeah. She put them out. I think she put them out yesterday.
Oh shit.
Yeah. She put them out yesterday. Check out this one, dude. This one. I don't know if you're into Matchbox, but you got that Skyline up there. That one's tight up there. Damn. So I don't know if you're into that one, but that's a good 5-pack, bro. You know. That was pretty cool. All right. As you know, that's about it, guys. That is a wrap. They had a couple Hot Wheels, nothing too crazy, but shout out to the homie ET. That's right. ET just ran into a local sub. He hit me up with the stuff. He's like, hey, you got a YouTube channel? I was like, yes, sir. He's like, subscribe to the channel. So shout out to you, my man. Thank you so much for subscribing. ET, best of luck on the hunt. Hope you find those supers and what you're looking for. Today, guys, that's about it. It's a wrap. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Till then, collect what you love, and I'll see you guys around the corner. Take care, guys. Peace.